wall in my room. So I thought I would do something creative on this wall. Now we all are at home and we all have a lot of time to do something creative. So today I'm gonna make paintings for this wall. That paintings you can use for your Instagram background also. So yeah, let's get into the video. So for this you need a piece of cardboard, scale and a pencil. Now take a pencil and mark 1 inch on 4 sides of the cardboard and then join the markings you have made on the cardboard. The lines you draw should look like frame on the cardboard. Now take a pencil and draw whatever design you want to draw. I am going to draw strawberries here. Next take black color and a brush and start coloring the frame part with black color. After that you need red color to paint our strawberries. You guys can also make such paintings and decorate your own home. Also take a black marker or black paint to make small dots on each strawberry. This is very simple and easy to make. Also this is a good idea to decor your wall and this is totally inexpensive. So you guys can see the paintings are now ready and this looks very beautiful. So I put all these paintings on my wall and you can see how beautiful my wall looks now. You guys can also use these paintings for Instagram photo background. I will show you guys. I have clicked some pictures with these paintings for my Instagram. I hope you guys like all the pictures. So guys, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, then please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in my next video.